dad said, fuck it, let's just go riding at the beach. Got the side-by-side loaded back there. And we're gonna go try to cool off a little bit, just me and the baby. And just have a good time, really. I mean, I haven't been to the beach with this thing ever since I got it. It's been like about a year now or more. And I've always said I was gonna take it, but never have. I've gone mudding with it, but that gets real old real quick, or at least to me, because I hate washing it all the time and the maintenance and the rust and all that. So, and I know the salt water's not any better, but I'm not freaking planning on, you know, riding inside the water with it. So be careful and just try to stay in the sand and, you know, just hang out and have a good time. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm out in Galveston. Alright guys, so I made it to Galveston. I'm right on the seawall right now, but the beach that I'm going to is like out on the west end. We still got like another like 15-minute drive to get there. But yeah, like I said before, like I've been wanting to go to this beach. I've been there whenever I was younger, when we used to have like dirt bikes and four-wheelers and stuff like that. Me and like my parents used to take us and a bunch of family. And we would all just go out there and ride, and I've been wanting to go ever since I got the side-by-side, but like I said, I don't know, sometimes I bullshit, sometimes I just don't have time. So today I said, screw it, I'm gonna take my daughter out there and have a good time, get a little cool with the water, because it's real hot. It's like 84 degrees out right now, which isn't too hot for Texas. But you know how it goes. We just want an excuse to go out. But I'll update you guys once we're out there. Got the beach out here. Finally made it out here riding with my daughter. We've been out here for a while. It's just where the main entrance is at, it's kind of bad, so we had to find a way around. I parked the trailer way in the front. But yeah, we're about to keep doing a little bit of riding, and I'll show you guys where the main entrance is at and why I came this way, and I'll just keep recording. Just having a good time, me and my daughter. It's her first time coming out on the ride. Like, she's been out before. Say what's up, baby. What's up, Asira? Tú. Ándale. Yeah, she's a little shy, but this is her first time coming out here. She's been to Crosby. She was like real little though, so pretty sure she doesn't remember none of that. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing some riding. There's like a bunch of trails back there, and there's a lot of water, and I'm not trying to get salt water on it too much. But Monday. So yeah, but let me go keep doing some riding so she doesn't get bored out here. Locked and loaded, ready to head out. My daughter started getting sleepy, so I think it's safe to say it's time to go. We've been out here for like about maybe 2 hours. It was a good day. I need to come back out here for sure. Maybe bring some my cousins or some friends out here, and so we can go riding, maybe barbecue out here. But I really liked it, and maybe next time my wife's not gonna choose to go shopping because she really missed out. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed, like it, share it, subscribe maybe, and thank you for watching.